No, say hi to her. Say
No,
it's
like, just
so,
be like, hey.
Bro, you should
She's
pull
like,
up searching like,
it's
oh
so
hi,
fun. It's like,
Okazama.
Oh my god.
it's finally good to meet you after not seeing. No, wait.
Oh no.
Oh
No, guys,
no!
I don't do this. I don't do this.
Hi. Bumping.
Uh-oh. Miss somewhere. You gotta miss on this one.
You don't want to be like.
Well, I'm not gonna say I disagree with you. Your mom is objectively attractive.
Wow. Oh my god, get away from me.
I went to bed out.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Said what?
He just attacked me.
Is this a normal occurrence?
Yep, they always fight.
Matthew, mount him. Mount him.
What?
Oh shit! All right, I gotta go.
Back to you, back to you.
He was fine.
Oh.
Hello.
Hey, bro.
Check.
Hey, bro. What's up, bro?
Not much, bro.
So what happened last night?
What?
What happened last
Dylan?
night?
You know, there seemed to be some confusion in the call when you joined, and you know, I just want to clear it up.
What do you mean confusion in the call when I joined?
You don't remember?
It was right when I was going to bed. Did I say something?
Wait, you actually don't remember?
You said you love little GBs.
I did not say that. I did not say that. It's just Jasper was there and he knows I didn't say that.
Bad touch. Bad touch. Oh, shit. I'm hitting a musty flick right now. What?
Oh.
Oh, dude, I was about to say, no way.
Man, that game. Yeah, there we go. Watch the fucking Skynet this bitch. What happened?
Cracks.
Oh, I killed him with the Skynet! Oh my god!
Oh, good shit. Burning the guy who's down.
All three. Crack.
Balling. My ball.
Crack right there.
I hit him with a ball.
Guy in the air. Dead?
They all died.
Come down here and res Declan.
Sure? I think I can.
Yeah, I bought it back for you.
Alright, Diddy. Bro, I can't get over.
What are you doing?
I got you, friend. What if it's the other side? What if it's the other side?
They knew exactly. They knew exactly what happened. They knew exactly what we were doing.
Become cold.
Like, full traps. Man.
There's only one way, and it's the no scope.
No shot. Oh.
Grab the crown.
I'm
You don't
so
already have
bad at
one.
this building thing. Here.
Any man wish death upon me.
Oh my god.
So I got hit in the face with a golf club last night.
Oh my. This cam right here.
I've played these games before.
You still hear him around,
I've played
Jack?
these games before. No.
What's the name of the guy in chat?
The Molster.
Nope.
Oh my god. God. Fucking, what's the fucking point?
Let's go murder some people.
I'm sitting in a chair.
I like it. That is how Rust is meant to be played.
I hit him. I downed him. Oh, I just got those 2 kills. Oh my God.
Hawk 1, Hawk Shua.
Hawk 2.
Bro. Declan.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fuck. Jack, please.
Still going. Still going.
There's no right way, man. I don't know what to do.
Go chase him. Go chase his booty. Uh-oh. 30 whopping.
Whee!
This is the worst fucking thing I've ever seen in my life.
Sunburn Chefs. That is a terrible name. I can't hit these edits.
How? Should I hit marker somehow?
175? Yeah, you're mouth. Bye-bye.
I'm panicking so hard.
What?
Every round is a new day.
Every round is a new day? Who are you, fucking Bob Ross? Big ass cracker?
Full piece, Jasper? Not like that, right? You did not like that.
Okay, what is full piece
That would never
actually
happen.
Bouncing on. I was not lost.
Watch this shit.
Oh shit.
Oh my god!
Nice angle. I couldn't even see you, but just another way.
I'm just triangles is all it takes.
Just try to go.
Ooh, pieced up. Calvin, is your ball over here?
Nah, nah. Oh my god! Bro, don't just sit there and wait.
Hey, you built a wall and then you killed me.
That would be corny, wouldn't it?
Alright,
I'm winning the
Oh, he's. On here. Oh, I knocked him. Oh, out there. Oh my god.
Is that the last guy?
Tell him goodbye. There's a
What? Oh my god.
Oh my god, go.
I
bit my tongue.
Shit, is that on your head?
That's real close, isn't it?
Jasper's just choking.
Jasper.
Jasper.
Get